See? There's both 2 a big one, a little one. Have placed them on trays, not placed it together. No. The last thing to do is get a yellow one. And the last thing is to do is tree. I'm playing. Okay. Put them on here. This one here, and this one here. Next time you plan the future, like a big one, or a big one here, a little one here, a little one here. Close your eyes, and then the future. Still make a video.
I am. We have to keep talking.
I'm just making these cookies for us.
Well, what day is it? For what day?
This day is Thanksgiving, and we're having lots of time staying up all night.
We're staying up all night?
Yep.
No.
Yeah.
How old are you? You can't. The 4-year-olds can't stay up all night. Is your tummy big from eating all that Thanksgiving turkey? What are you doing?
Swiping.
I thought swipe or no swiping. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now. Say bye.
No.
Say have a happy Thanksgiving.
No, yet. I'm still not done. I'm supposed to place these cookies. I know. And they just have to place them, as I know.
Say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Will we stick like